Hello everyone, I'm Saiful and welcome to my channel where I try to rehearse what I have learned. Okay, now let's see how to generate the Excel file or how to generate any CSV file. Okay, so let's import pandas as pd and also import numpy as int. Okay, so now from pandas we can actually just like before import series and also data frame. Okay, so first thing first that we are going to use the dictionary and in Python module, and the dictionary is used by embedding in the second bracket. Okay, so let's call a function called df1. Okay, let's call the data frame first bracket and call the second bracket. Okay, let's name the position. Okay, so I want to know the position of my classmates or anyone. And it will be numerical value. So yeah, numpy array, we are going to np.array and first bracket dot. Okay, let's say 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 data is enough. And again now we're going to see the name. Okay, so name is actually string, so we don't need to use the numpy array again. Just call a for example, let's call b, let's call c, and let's call d. Okay, now I want to know let's call cdpa. Okay, let's call cdpa, and also it is a numerical value, so we are going to num8p.array again. Okay, and okay, so where is going to be okay array dot. Okay, so we're going to use the same method, the same module again. Before, so this is called 3.9, let's for example call 3.8, call 3.7, call 3.6. okay, so just give me double check. Okay, so we didn't give the the bracket. Okay, so let's call df1 and we'll see that the dataset actually generated. Let's give the capital. Okay, so that one dataset have been generated. Let's call now a function called df2. Okay, so let's call the variable, sorry, not function, variable df2, and again just like before we're giving generating a dictionary file. Just copy, I'm just copying this. Okay, and paste. Okay, let's give a subject rank. Let's call jhd 501. So this is actually just a subject for me. Okay, and it's okay, so the first score, let's say 75, then he got 20.25. let's call for 3.5. let's call he got 3.1. and we just want to again just copy, Ctrl C, and give the comma, Ctrl V. You can also this in by enter 502. Okay, and okay, let's zoom a little bit. So 3.9, I think we got 3.5, just random number. Let's see if we got 4 3.25. okay, so now what we're going to do, let's see what is df2. See that the data frame actually generated after the name a got 3.75, 3.9, and etc. Okay, so now I want to amalgamate it or combine this data set and this data set. Okay, so we are using a function and that's called merge. Okay, so let's call df pd dot merge. Okay, so under the merge we are going to call df1 and we are going to call df2. and we are going to merge under the name, because it has the common data frame, right? ABCD. So we're going to call on is equal to on and call name. And how we are going to align? We are going to align this as a left. Okay, left. So if we call this, we're going to see yes, that position name CDPA, that the data frame actually going to be generated. So let's call another function. Okay, let's go to 50, for example 3. It is going to 50 or 4. Let's say these guys call 2.75, 3.5. let's say we got 4 out of 4. Pretty brilliant. Also 2.5. okay, so and this guy got 6.5, let's say 3.25. this got 5.4, whatever. So okay, and now df2 df3 requiring a function, and also going to df3. So what happened, you will see that there is another name under this 503 with 504. okay, let's go. We are going to final merge. That's called df final df, and pd dot merge. okay, we're going to merge the first df and df3, right, under the name form of the on is equal to name. And how we're going to merge this? How we're going to, let's say we're going to write, let's see what happened, final df. okay, so you see that there has been much change. okay, let's do it another thing. Let's see df3 and df. Now what? You can see that the GST 503 and 504 have been moved to left, right? So basically the position is, you have to change the position not only here, but you have to change also the position is in here. So let's go back to original df3 so that it can be actually coherent with this. okay, so that's how actually we are going to generate a data set within table, and you can actually go on 505 etc, whatever you want to do. Now let's do another thing. Let's, for example, this position 1, he has not got position 1. Let's say he has got position 10. So let's go, we're going to replace. So final df. okay, so finally call replace. We're going to call a function called replace, and let's say that one have been replaced into 10. So that we're going to see that this one is actually going to replace in 10. yes, did you see that? So position is, so by this we can actually change the data set, change the individual Excel value. If you if you generated a value by mistake, so you can actually change this. okay, you can also change the string as well. Let me show you how to change the string. Let's call new final. okay, let's call this, and final df dot replace, and let's call the function, first function a, comma, first function let's call b. okay, and comma, let's say first is replaced by Oppo, and another from my good friend Notion. okay, so after this, if we call new final, replace, unfortunately, yes, did you see that the name has been changed, new Oppo Notion. okay, so that's how actually we can actually replace the individual data set by data file like this. And now if we want to save this, so that's around the most important part. Let's say new final. okay, dot let's say to either you want to save Excel and you want to save to CSV, up to your Excel, and call let's say now CDPA. okay, so name the file as a CDPA, and XLSX, the extension of XLS is XLSX. okay, so if we just run this, and the file has been that save as CDPA XLSX. okay, Okay, so we are seeing that there is an index. So if you don't want to see the index, just call, let's say, okay, sorry, call index is equal to false. Okay, now you will see that the index is gone. Okay, so this is the way how you can actually generate the dataset or Excel or CSV file in Python using Pandas and NumPy module. So see you in the next video.